Wow, students, hi, it's Mrs. Newman. Can you believe it? It's Friday. I cannot believe it. And guess what? Today's the last day as you go off to your holiday breaks. I won't see you for a few weeks. I sure will miss you, but I'm very proud of you. And I know you'll be having fun on your holidays. But we'll see each other in the new year. That's right. We're in 2020. And when we come back, we are going to have a new calendar year. Look, 2020 is going to become 2021. Isn't that terrific? I'm excited. So we'll have a whole new month because right now we're in December and that's the last month of a calendar year. Okay, so let's find out what the date is. Yesterday was the 17th. If I had 1 to 17, it'd be like adding, if I had 10 and I had 7 and I had 1 to 7, it'd be like 8, right? 1 and 8. Let's find that bear. Here we go for the last day since of us together. How would you describe that bear? That bear is outside of the box for the 18th. Hello, bear. I'm gonna miss you, says our little teddy bear. So let's put that here. And look, we have arrived to our winter break holiday snow person. Hello. That means we have finished our entire countdown. Woo! So you can toss those paper links. And if you were counting down for other holidays, you can keep doing that at home. But we made it to our holiday break. We counted down every day with paper links. And now we're here. Super. How many days have we been in school? We have to take a look at our plastic links. Let's see. We're doing them in counts of 10 here. So 10, 20, 30, 40. What were we at? Does anyone remember? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Today would make 48. 48 days that you have been in school. I'm very proud of you for every single day. When we get back, we'll have a couple days and we'll get to 50. That's halfway to 100. So you should be very proud. Last thing is our pattern blocks. We've been working on our pattern blocks all week. Now let's spin. I'm going to spin for you at home. 1, 2, 3. It's a 3. 3. So I'm only going to pull 3 shapes. Here they are. Let's see what they are. You're not going to believe it. Look what Mrs. Newman pulled. 1, 2, 3 squares. Remember, a square has the same length of a side, all 4 sides. Squares, and I pulled 3 of them. That'll make our calculations really quick. Look how many, they're really piling up in our pattern blocks here. So I'm gonna go ahead and write that down. Today's Friday, so I'm gonna put an F here. I don't know, can you see this? Mrs. Newman's trying to hold it up correctly. Not my favorite. All right, Friday. Hexagon, 0. Trapezoids, 0. Squares, 3. Triangles, 0. Well, we have something we have to do here. I'm going to take all of these shapes. We are going to count them out, students. All right, let's put them over here. I'll move the camera in just a second here. Hold on. You can just pretend you're here in the classroom and that we're putting all the shapes out together. And they're all different sizes. It's really neat. All right, and then you're gonna help me count the whole total because look here, our first week we had 15 and then 21. And we're gonna find out what our grand total is. All right, students. I'm gonna move this here. Here we are. So if you're doing this with me at home, you might want to count these out with Mrs. Newman. Now last week our big total was 21 and the week before that was 15. Oh, my dog's barking. Just a little of the fun of working from home, huh? Here's our 10 frames, which means there's 10 in this box, 10 in this box. So we're going to start with our hexagons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does that match my little card? Hexagons, 1 and 2 and 2. 1, 2 and 2. 5 for the whole week. I'm going to put it equals 5. Now it's asking about trapezoids. 1, 2, 3 trapezoids. So I'm going to put a 3 down here. And then down here, there's squares. Whoa, we have a lot of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then down here, 6, 7, 8. 8 squares this week? Oh my goodness. 3 and 1, and then 1 and 3. We pulled a lot of squares this week. How many triangles? Oh my goodness, only 2. Well, instead of coming down here, I'm going to fill up this 10 frame. Does that make sense? Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there were 2 there. What did we pull the most of? We pulled the most squares. Look how many. What did we pull the least of? Probably triangles, because there's only 2. There's 3 of those. So we pulled the most squares and the least triangles. But how many did we get total? Let's count. We know this is a 10 frame. That's 10. And then how much is here? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 students. Wow. So why don't we get my pattern blocks for the whole week here? Let's look. Week 1, we had 15. Week 2, we had 21. Well, this week we had 18. Wow. It looks like last week we got the most because we were in the 20s. And the first week we got the least. This week we kind of got in the middle of those. So that's how we did. Well, great job, students. I'm really proud of you and all the fun we've had with our calendar. We are now going to go to our holiday break. So I want you to enjoy your holiday breaks, and I'll see you in a few weeks, okay? We'll be back for January. Bye-bye.